Hello. How to apply Disability Railway Card ID for IRCTC ticket booking? Let me explain. Content. Overview of the Disability Railway Card. How to link Disability ID with IRCTC account. Benefits for deaf individuals, example, concessional fares. Step 1. How to obtain Disability Railway Card and get the Railway Disability ID. I will explain. Point 1. Visit the nearest railway reservation office or apply online at divyangjanit.indianrail.gov.in. 2. Submit the required documents. Government-issued disability certificate as proof of disability. Concession certificate issued by the competent medical authority. Passport size photograph. Valid ID proof, Aadhaar, voter ID, etc. 3. Ensure the details on the disability certificate and concession certificate match. 4. Receive the Disability Railway ID card after successful verification. Step 2. Link Disability ID with IRCTC account. Please watch the video. Visit www.irctc.co.in. If you are registered in IRCTC, then click Register. Fill the form with the details. Username, full name, password, email, etc. Then click Submit. If you already have login, then click Login. Then enter your username and password. Enter the same captcha, then click Sign In. Show IRCTC booking ticket, then you choose from Kollam to Whitefield, Bangalore. You click Choose Date, then click You must tick for person with disability concession, then it shows a pop-up concession. Click OK, then click Search. Open to show list train name. Then you choose Sleeper 3 AC or 2 AC. Click that look seat available, click Book. Show passenger detail name, age, gender, concession. Click to choose person with disability, card number, valid up to date and DOB. You choose to pay through credit card or debit card, etc. Then choose to pay through Bheem UPI. Then click Continue. Show the passenger detail and half concession fares. Then enter captcha and then click Continue. Show the payment methods IRCTC iPay, credit card, debit card. Multiple payment, then click Bheem UPI. Then choose Paytm using Bheem. That looks how much is the fare for booking tickets. Click back that example passenger detail. Put full name in character limit text. Valid up to date and DOB, then click Continue. Show message error passenger name mismatch for railway disability card. Hope this useful video is understood. Benefits for deaf individuals. What are the benefits of a disability railway card for deaf individuals? 1. Reduced fare costs. Enjoy up to 75% concession on train ticket prices. Saves money on travel, making it affordable to travel long distances. 2. Applicable across train classes. Valid for general second class sleeper, first AC, and second AC classes. Note: concessions are not available for third AC class. Choose the comfort level you need at a reduced cost. Three. Validity for multiple trips. The card can be used repeatedly for multiple bookings during its validity period. 4. Support for escorts, if applicable. Deaf individuals eligible for an escort can also avail of concessions for their escorts tickets. Important guidelines. Points. The cardholder must carry the original card during travel. Concessions are valid for specific classes of travel. Update IRCTC if there are changes to personal details. Hope to understand this useful video. Thank you.